Hello, welcome to the video and welcome to my channel. Now, the last video I missed two things off. Now, when you reset that, you want it to reset the game as well. So, because what it is, I'll show you. If I do 444 and I press it once and oops, right there. Let me just set it to. Okay, if I put 44 there and I press set and I press it again, I'd like the board to reset so that it wouldn't matter how many times I press that. So to do that, I just have to put it in here. We've already got a function that does reset, so all we have to do is do that. And now, let me see what I've done. Oh man. Okay, I put in the wrong one. Let's take that out. And I like it to do a reset here. So that when I do that, we just do it once. Another thing that I missed is this. I want the wood to show here. So I'm gonna put a CSS thing in. And that should make it how I want it. Transparent. So I've just set that just basically sets the background to transparent. I think that end bit is the one that does it. Let me check. Yeah, it's the end bit. You just set it to 0.1, and it looks, it's got a bit of a shadow on it. Well, I'm gonna just leave it like that. Okay. So what I want to do now is I've set some targets for myself now. Right there. There's two positions here and I only got one. So what happened to the other one? Okay, I found the other position. Let me check. So that's the first position. And I'll paste that in. That position, it takes 20 seconds to solve it. Okay, and it will come up with that there's a win in that much moves. Okay. And this other position, it takes 248 seconds to solve this position. and that comes up with a winning, I think it's 18 moves, 8 depth at 18, that's the depth of 16. Okay, so my target is I want a 64-fold increase, so it's going to be 64 times faster. That's my target. So I'm going to have to solve this one in 328 milliseconds, and that one in nearly 4 seconds. Okay, I'm going to give myself a bonus position. I'm not going to, this isn't going to be a target, but if I do solve it, I will be happy. That position is a win for the person who's moving next. I don't know who it is, but I don't know the time it takes to solve it now. So what I'll have to do is I'm gonna probably have to work it out. Well, I won't. But whatever the time is, by the next video, in fact, I might not be able to work it out. It might be too slow. But I try to work that out if I can, and I'll leave that there. And as a bonus, I have to find there's one winning. In this position, there's one winning move. So we'll have to find the winning move, and it would also say this is a win in how much moves it is. If it's 20, we'll say 20. Okay, so that's what I've got to do as well. And last but not least, I'm going to have to do this. Oops. Okay. This board here is a 6x4 board. Now there's a research paper here. And according to this research paper, this 6x4 board, whoever plays second is going to lose no matter what they play. Okay. So that's what that is saying. So if I move here, then the other side should be able to find a move that wins from there, or if I move there, or if I move there. I think it will be, I assume we'll be able to find a move that wins this one. Okay, but I'm going to start it from here and see if you can win. If you can win this one, if it's that quick, then I won't be able to do that. Check that one, and then check that one. That's if it's that quick. Okay, so hopefully if I make it very fast, then I could check all of them. Now the problem I'm going to face is certain techniques to make it faster, I won't be able to use them because I want the board to do this as well. So I'm only aiming for 64 speed, 64 times the speed, because I want it to be able to do this as well. Okay, if it was a normal board, then I could use different techniques. I could probably use the techniques now, but it's going to be a bit difficult for me to use certain. It's going to be difficult for me to use certain techniques on big, massive boards like this. Okay, I'm going to end this video now. In fact, I think I've accidentally started the game by pressing that wrong button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end the video. There you go. I'm going to end the video. On the next video, I will start performing the first optimization to get the speed up to them targets that I just set. Okay, thanks for listening to my video. Bye.